My today's topic is advertisement. What is advertising? Advertising is a message designed to promote a service, product, or an idea. The purpose of advertising is to sell a product or service. Business firm, charitable trust, and government agencies use advertising to promote their product, service, or an idea. The meaning of advertising. The word advertising is derived from two Latin words. One is ad and second one is virto. Ad means toward and virto means I turn. Literally, advertising means to turn the people's attention to a specific thing or specific product. Advertising performs specific functions. For example, promotion of sales, introduction of new products, support to production system, increasing standard of living, public image, and support to media. First function of the advertising is to promotion of sales. Advertising promotes the sales of goods and services by informing and persuading the people to buy them. A good advertising campaign helps in winning customers and generating revenues. Sales promotion uses both media and non-media marketing communication. The second function of the advertising is to introduction of new products. Advertising helps in the introduction of new products in the market. A business enterprise can introduce itself and its product to the public through the advertising. Advertising enables quick publicity in the market. Introducing a new product to the market gives a company the chance to strengthen its reputation and image in the market through the product. The third function of advertising is to support to production system. Production system is defined as a method, procedure, or arrangement which include all the functions required to accumulate the input, reprocess the input, and deliver a marketable output. The business firms know that it will be able to sell on a large scale with the help of advertising. Mass production will reduce the cost of production per unit by making possible the economical use of various factors of production. The fourth function of the advertising is increased standard of living. Through the medium of advertising, people get information regarding new products. Advertising educates the people about their products and their uses. It is advertising which helps people in adopting new ways of life and giving up old habits. It has contributed a lot towards the betterment of the standard of the living of the society. Public image. Public image plays an important role in advertising. Advertising builds up the reputation of the advertiser. Advertising enables a business firm to communicate its achievements and its efforts to satisfy the customer's need to the public. This increases the goodwill and reputation of the firm and also help in winning more customers at the same time. Support to media. Media plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Apart from imparting knowledge and connecting the world, media also plays an important role in advertising. It spreads awareness about any product or service, broadcasts the benefit of that particular product and service while advertising. Advertising provides an important source of revenue to the publishers of newspaper and magazines. By studying all these functions, we came to the conclusion that the growing trend of the advertising is leaning heavily on internet. Advertising products or services through the internet are more effective and efficient, and for sure it saves a lot of time. Advertisings are immediately published, which is not restricted by time or any geographical boundaries, thus reaching global consumers at a very large amount. With the rapid development of a technology, advertising has become more effective. There are many new technologies used for advertising in the contemporary business world.